Okay, I got a good view of it.
Getting closer.
Here, I got a good view of it right here. Okay.
We might have to get ready to make a run for the basement.
Let's go right now.
Yeah.
That gets your blood pumping a little bit.
Definitely a tornado. Look at it, it's getting bigger. Definitely getting bigger, isn't it?
Yeah. And it's moving away from us.
Yeah, it is. But you gotta watch it, those things can move on you. Wow, it's really starting to... I'm gonna try to get out here a little.
Yeah.
Better keep an eye behind us here too.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to get out on the street a little bit. I'm going behind the house there, I can't see it too much.
Good. Right here. Okay, I have it recording.